Hi, this is Bill with Machinery Consultants. We'd like to thank you for reviewing this video on a pre-owned Whacheon model HL460 high-speed precision tool room lathe. This machine was built new in 1991 and it came to us from a research facility with very limited use. Serial number 220304. This is an 18-inch over the bed, 9 3/4 over the cross slide, 60-inch between centered machine, and it actually has a built-in gap that'll do 25 9/16 a little ways out. This particular model has a D16 cam lock nose with a 2 3/64 spindle bore. It does both inch and metric threads, and the speed range goes from 32 to 1800 RPM with 12 changes. We're going to go ahead and run this machine for you and work it through its paces. 32 RPM. Now at 82 RPM. I'd like to point out that brand new BTC 10-inch 3-jaw chuck, direct mount with 2-piece top reversing jaws. Also includes an Acu-rite 2-axis digital readout. It's the Acu-rite 3.
160.
160 RPM. There's a piece of material in the chuck because we just got done doing an inspection cut. Leveled the machine up, did inspection cut for the customer. Has a foot brake.
It's 200 RPM.
200 RPM. This particular machine weighs about 6,000 pounds. 395 RPM.
I'll show you some feeds there.
Cool. I'd like to point out the condition of the ways up near the headstock and the cross slide, how beautiful they are. Wonderful condition. So we've already pointed out the 10-inch 3-jaw chuck. It also includes a 4-way tool post. $710 RPM. Let's get the top 2 RPMs, then I'll go through the complete widths, Frank.
It does have a new brake on it.
Brake works excellent. Woo!
10-10.
How fast?
10-10.
10-10.
Light right there, it's glaring right on me, I can't see it.
1800 RPM. Point out the condition of the screws. Beautiful. Lastly, I'd just like to point out the 4-jaw chuck. It's a 12-inch 4-jaw chuck, brand new in the box. Direct mount D16. We also have the 16-inch D16 direct mount faceplate. Comes complete with the instruction manuals, rear splash guard. It's currently wired at 220 volt, 3-phase. The motor set up to go either 220 volt or 440 volt. Please specify. Machine has coolant system. Works great. Here's the tag on it. 5 horsepower main drive motor. HL460, serial number 220304. Manufactured new in 1991. Well, again, on behalf of Machinery Consultants, we'd like to thank you for reviewing this video. Great looking gears. If there's any questions we can answer, please feel free to give us a call. Thanks again.